Hello. Today I'm doing an unboxing. So I know on my other videos on the channel it has been our vlogs from our vacation, but today I'm actually gonna do a 31 unboxing. I joined 31 in May. Previously, all my other videos that I've done have all been in my Facebook group. So I'm gonna link that down below, and I hope that you request to join and I can see you all there. I feel like it's a little more personable than just doing like a video online anyway. I wanted to show some of the new winter stuff. Our new winter catalog came out beginning of December, so December 1st it launched. This is our new catalog, and it is really focused on home and home decorations. I think a lot of people think when they hear 31, they think like, oh, I don't need another bag, I don't need another tote. Well, we're so much more than that. Right now my camera is sitting on top of a wood tray that is from 31 and it's personalized. So it's not just totes and bags, like we have so much more. Like this spread has most of like home stuff. So we're not just bags. All right, I will start to show you some of the items. One of the items is already actually hanging up in my house, so I will insert a clip then of that item. Let me start showing the stuff. So first I have our Dream Keeper mini bin. So this one is in the natural color and it is absolutely adorable. I mean, it's a cute little bin. It has a little hanging tab here, so that way you could hang it up if you wanted, or you could just let it sit, use it as decoration, use it as a little gift basket, whatever your little heart desires. I actually have been using it with this plant. It's a fake plant that I just had sitting on my ottoman. So then I just dropped it in here, and I think it just adds like a cozier feel for the winter months. Then I also picked up our felt hanging bin. This is also in the natural, and it has another block letter outline, and the outline is in chestnut brown. So let's open this up. Here is our felt hanging bin, again natural with a little hanging tab. So I put the P on it for our last name. I have no idea what I'm going to use it for yet. I just thought it would be really cute. I was actually kind of thinking, when you first come in my house, I have hooks like where we hang our jackets, and I was thinking that I could hang this on one of the hooks just to put like maybe two of my hats, like hat and glove set, just because sometimes they get lost floating around where all my husband's hats are, so that at least I could find my own stuff. And then the other item, this is our felt storage tote, brushed whisper gray with rope. And again, I have the casual raised embroidery on it in chestnut brown. I went with brown for everything because that's actually the color of like this leather detailing here. It's brown, so that's why I went with the brown on top. Wow, this is really big. I didn't think it was gonna be this big. Woo! So here's inside, and you can see like this is big. Ooh, it's really big. Here we are. Look at that. So it has these adorable little handles, and I put welcome on it because I was thinking again, I could just either hats and gloves are gonna go in here, or blankets in the living room. I'm not entirely sure yet. But that welcome could go literally anywhere, and it's versatile. When I get things, I always try to make them really versatile, so that way I'm not stuck with just using them in one spot. I like to be able to kind of switch things up. So the other item is already hanging up, and I will insert a clip here to show you what that is. So when I said that one of the items was already hanging up, this right here is the one that I'm talking about. Moon of my life, my sun and stars. Comment down below if you know where that's from. So I already had these three up, but obviously I needed another one, and I just flip-flop these two so that way the black and white ones would be, you know, diagonal from each other. So that is one of the other items that I unboxed. All right, so that's everything that I picked up. I did not go crazy for this winter catalog because Christmas, need to budget. But I actually got everything with my Wishes rewards. So that's something that you can earn when you join 31. I paid for all of this with my Wishes rewards, so I didn't put anything out of my own pocket. And you can use those Wishes rewards for a product like this. You could get like a Visa gift card, you could get a Disney gift card. That's one of the cool things about 31. I really like being able to use my rewards to get product when at a time like this is not this stuff is not in my budget right now because of Christmas. So I can get these things without going over any of my budgets and making sure that, you know, Christmas is done. Most of my presents are pretty much wrapped and ready, and now I don't have to worry about it, and I don't have to worry about how I paid for any of this stuff because I got to use those rewards. If you're interested at all in learning more about 31, definitely send me a message. For sure join my Facebook group so that way we can chat about it, because it is a great opportunity just for some extra income, and this isn't my full-time job, so yeah, it's just something for fun. All right, I hope that you enjoyed my video. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will speak to you soon. Bye guys.